Welcome in today's lesson. This is your very teacher, the UNZA graduate teacher. In today's lesson, guys, we are looking at a question which came in Maths Paper 1 2025 G12 exam. The question that we are looking at, it was question 12. This question was saying a bottle of mineral water has a capacity of 500 those plus or minus 0.5 milliliters. Find the tolerance. A was saying find the tolerance. B was saying find the percentage error. So for you to solve this question, you must understand the formula of the tolerance. You're going to say tolerance is equals to, upper limit minus lower limit. Or you can say upper bound or minus lower bound. It's the same as upper limit, which is also known as upper bound. So now, according to this question, for you to find the upper limit, you must get this 500, you say 500, you add, you say plus 0.5. That's how you find the upper limit. For you to find the lower limit, you must say 500 minus 0.5. That's how you find these values. So when you add this here, you add 0 plus 5, it will give 5. Here there will be a point, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. It will be, the upper limit will be 500.5. Then you subtract this one. When you subtract this one, here it will be 4. It will be 9 here, 9. Then here it will be 10. So that means it will give you 10 minus 5, it will give you 5. You say point, it will be 9, 9, 4. So that's the lower limit. Then you have to now subtract upper limit minus lower limit. You say 500.5 minus 5.994. You subtract, it will be 0. You borrow 1 from this one. Here when you borrow it will be 10. Again you borrow it will be 9, 10 to be 1. Then here on top, since you have borrowed, it will be just 9 minus 9, 0, 0, 0. So the answer, the tolerance is equals to 1. You must always understand that the tolerance is always double the absolute value. The absolute value it's always double the absolute error. The absolute error is this number which you have been given here, 0.5. That's the absolute error. Then this 500, it is the true value, or true value. The true value, it is this 500. The absolute error, it is 0.5. So now we have found the tolerance. And the second question was say find the percentage error. You say percentage error is equals to, you're going to say absolute error, I'll just write in the abbreviation, over true value, TV, multiplied by 100. So you have to find the percentage now. That's percentage error. So now, absolute error, it is this one, 0.5. You say 0.5 over true value. The true value is 500. You say 500 multiplied by 100. You can cancel 0, 0, you cancel the 0. You are going to remain with 0.5 over 5 multiplied by 1. So for you to divide these numbers is per power, you must always use, you are not allowed to use a calculator. So you are going to say, since this number it has got, so we are going just to multiply 1 times everything on top. It will give you, it will be equal to 0.5 over 5. So for you to divide, you must see, since it has got 1 decimal place, if you are going to multiply on top by 10, also down by 10. If it had the 2 decimal places, you could have multiplied on top by 100, also by 100 or down there. But so you're going to say 10 times 0.5, it will just give you 5. 10 times 5, it will give you 50. So the number that can go in 5 and in 50, it is 5. 5 into this one to 1. 5 into 50, it is 10. So it is now 10 over, it is now 1 over 10. When you say 10 into this one, you say it can't. Then you say 0 point, you put a point, then you add a 0. 10 into this one, it was 1. So the percentage error, it is close to 0.1%. Why should you continue to struggle with such questions? Why should you continue to struggle with mathematics? When the undergraduate teachers here, just follow my TikTok channel if you're watching me on TikTok. If you're watching me on YouTube, just subscribe to my channel for more mathematics lessons.